Hello, my name is Heidi and I'm a counselor and I'm going to teach, it's called pendulating between a good feeling and a bad feeling. So we're actually going to start with a good feeling, and what I would want is, it seems like something bad, but we're going to make it good. So if you're having a problem, if you're having emotional pain or physical pain, just put it in a hand right here and I'll disclose, besides being a counselor, I also have a congenital back problem and I live with a lot of physical pain. So I'm just going to put my pain here. And if you're having pain, you go ahead and put your pain in this hand too. What we're going to do is we're going to look at each other and we're going to know that we're not alone in the pain that we have. We're just going to imagine that we're together and we're just going to breathe that in and out. Just feeling connected. Someone else has pain. And we're together. Just take 3 more breaths with me. Just breathe in. And you just blow kindness on your pain. Really long out breath that puts you in the parasympathetic state. It calms you down. Breathe in. Out. May you live with ease. Breathe in. Out. May we be free of suffering. And just one more. Breathe in. May you be happy. Okay. Now what we're going to do is, in the other hand, we're going to have the part of you that was unhappy or in pain or having a problem before you came on to this video. You're just going to get in contact with it. Now imagine that this is a giant field of grass, and we're going to take your pain, just one blade of grass. So whatever that pain is, I'm going to think of my own pain. We're just going to feel into it a little bit. And just breathe it in. Just a little bit. And you can blow the kindness on that grass. Just breathe it in just a little bit. We're just going to do one more breath and we're going to go back to the other hand. Okay, now we're going to come back over here. This is the happy hand where you're not alone. So we're going to hold hands together. We're going to imagine, if you've ever seen the Sombrero galaxy, you can look it up after this video. It's a giant galaxy and it's got over 800 billion suns. So we're just going to imagine that there's a galaxy here with the two of us on your hand. We're just going to breathe it in. And just blow kindness on us. 800 billion suns. Just breathe it in. And just one more time, just blow it at me. Just breathe it in. And I'm going to blow it at you and you blow it at me. And together, may we feel this good energy, and it'll help lift us up. It helps our brain be able to handle things one blade of grass at a time. It's a somatic experiencing principle where you go back and forth, and we grow our ability to be resilient when we go back and forth. So thanks for listening. I hope this helped you.